my time. Welcome back to my channel. It's currently 9:59, literally like 10 seconds away. Oh, 10. My video is now live because it's Sunday, May 14th, aka Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Now I need to go wake up my mom, and every single Mother's Day I make her breakfast in bed, so I need to get started on that. So let's go. So on the list for today we have eggs, turkey bacon, because I don't like to eat pork, waffles, which I'm gonna put strawberries and whipped cream on top, and then I'm gonna get for one of my little cupcakes here. So let's go. Tell me that doesn't look yummy. Like, I'm gonna take a picture and then give it to her with little tray things. I'm gonna plate it up and you'll see. This goes first. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Hold on. I'm giving her a little cupcake, so I'm gonna put that on a little tiny plate. Guys, tell me I'm not the cutest. Like, this is just hot water, like 2 tea bags here, brown sugar, cupcake. I can't. Let me take a picture. I'm gonna feast and enjoy my breakfast. Let me go get her gifts now because I ate, my stomach's full. I'm happy. Don't look at how messy my desk is, but it's the ones from the last video. If you haven't watched the last video, I got her this book and this little faith keyring that says, if it focuses, there you go. So let's go get this to her. Look.
Thank you.
Okay guys, it's now 12:48, about to be 1, and technically the barbecue is 3, but we told everybody at 1 because my family's Caribbean and we're always late. But I have to be there at 1 because I'm cooking, so I need to go get ready now. I'm gonna go hop in the shower and then get back to you guys when I'm doing my makeup and putting on my outfit and all of that good stuff. Okay guys, I'm out the shower. This is the fit. Now look at how dirty my desk is, or my bed. But yeah. Fun fact, I wore this outfit on the first day of school, just a different top, and I've worn it once since. So yeah, I'm gonna do my quick little simple makeup like I always do. Starting with lips. I can't find my little eyebrow thing, so that's good enough for me. Little lip like liner. This one is Revlon Color Stay. I don't know what color this is. Wine. Okay, and after doing the corners, I need a little bit in the middle. Right? Okay. And then Clinique Black Honey. Tell me this isn't the most elite combo ever. I love it. Okay, blush. Believe, Rare Beauty, Believe. This is like the matte one, I think. I don't know. It's a sample. I say every time. I need to put a lot because this color is not technically my color. So I prefer a rosy color, but not rosy, like red. This is like very pink, peony. All the people look like it's my high. blushed up. Perfect. I love it. Okay. Technically, this is all I do. Hair, bun. I just done. Scent of the day. Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia. The pink one. The good smelling one. I don't like the other one. And I put this on my like pulse points or whatever. And on my shoulders. And then Sol de Janeiro 68. Also pink. I put that all over. I have to do this because it smells like alcohol for like the first few minutes. And now I'm ready. Like, I'm gonna put on Crocs. I'm just going to my cousin's house. But yeah, don't look at my room. Yeah. Because I tidied my room, but we're all ready to go. Crocs on, bag secured, food packed. Food packed, let's go. Guys, I'm in the car. I'm driving. My mom is taking her sweet time to come, and I see her. So yeah, ready to go. Even though we're late, it starts at 3. It is 2:12, but we told everybody to be there at 1. We're leaving at 2. It's finally here, so asparagus, garlic bread, corn, potatoes, coleslaw, plantain, chicken, sausage, steak, rice, and pasta. Let's set up. Need her car to drive, guys. Look at this parking job in reverse. In reverse. Guys, look at the sunset. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Wow. God, this is so beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I'm finally back home. It is 9:45. We did not even end up playing games. Like, all the adults who were talk. I watched like 2 movies and I ate good food, but it was a good day overall. And that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you stick around and watch another video. Bye.